Here is a problem you will run into fast. For example, you ask Claude to write a campaign brief, and it gives you something decent. Next week you ask again, and the output is completely different. Different structure, different tone, missing your benchmarks. Every conversation starts from the scratch. Skills, commands, and plugins can fix this. So, there is 3 layers of customization. Let me break each one down. Skills are reusable instruction manuals written in plain English. When you ask Claude to do something, it checks if you have a skill that matches. And if you do, it loads that skill automatically. You never have to mention it. Claude just follows the right process every time. Commands are different. You trigger them yourself by typing a /. They are structured for clause. Claude asks you a series of questions to gather the right inputs before starting. Think of it like filling out a brief with a teammate who knows exactly what to ask. And plugins bundled everything together: skills, connectors, and commands in one package. You install a plugin and Claude instantly becomes a specialist in that domain. Marketing, sales, HR, data analysis, one click. So every skill has 5 parts: purpose, what it does; required inputs, what Claude needs from you; process steps, the workflow; output formats, what the deliverable looks like; and rules, guardrails like never fabricate statistics or always include a summary at the top. Rules are where the real value is. They encode your team standards. And the key idea: you never tell Claude which skill to use. It matches the task to the right skill on its own. You type create a content brief, and if you have a content brief skill installed, Claude finds it and follows it automatically.